Welcome back to Beautyistic, everyone. Today we're diving into the world of premium grooming with a product that's making waves among shaving enthusiasts. The MÜHLE Chrome Silvertip Badger Safety Razor Shaving Set. This set is touted for delivering barbershop-quality shaves at home, so let's see if it lives up to the hype. To kick things off, let's talk about the basics. The MÜHLE Chrome Silvertip Badger Safety Razor Set is designed with both the beginner and the experienced shaving enthusiast in mind. The set includes a classic closed comb safety razor, a handcrafted Silvertip Badger brush, and a chrome stand for display, giving you both function and style in one elegant package. Now let's get into the details of this shaving kit. The closed comb razor head features a unique design that helps prevent buildup, ensuring a smoother shave every time. The special blade angle is crafted to give you the closest shave possible while minimizing irritation, which is crucial for sensitive skin. Moving on to the brush, the Silvertip Badger hair is handpicked for its softness and flexibility. It's meant to create a rich, luxurious lather that not only helps with prepping the skin, but also gives a soothing, massaging effect during the shave. A key feature that stands out is the meticulous craftsmanship behind this brush, making it perfect for those looking for a truly indulgent shaving experience. Now, onto my real-world testing and experience with this kit. Using this razor was an absolute treat. The closed comb design provides excellent control, making it easy to glide across the skin without any nicks or cuts. The angle of the razor is just right for getting up close to the skin, ensuring a close shave that's smooth without the usual irritation that comes with many razors. As for the brush, the Silvertip Badger hair is incredibly soft and flexible. I found that it whipped up a dense lather easily, which made the shaving process feel like a pampering experience. The brush's texture allows it to hold moisture and product, giving you just the right amount of cream to work with. It's gentle on the skin, making it a great tool for anyone with more sensitive areas. In terms of pros, the standout features are definitely the razor's build quality and the luxurious feel of the brush. The chrome stand not only keeps everything organized, but it also gives your grooming area a sophisticated touch. Plus, the lack of disposable cartridges makes this set a sustainable choice for those conscious about their environmental impact. However, as with any product, there are a couple of minor cons to note. While the set does offer great performance, it may not be the best choice for those new to safety razors. The learning curve can be a bit steep, and if you're used to cartridge razors, the traditional technique can take a little time to master. Also, while the price point is justified for the quality, this kit is certainly an investment which may not appeal to everyone. In terms of value for money, this shaving set is a solid investment for those who want a premium grooming experience. The craftsmanship of the razor and brush, along with the longevity of the materials, makes it worth the price for enthusiasts who appreciate the ritual of shaving. Comparing this to other shaving kits on the market, the MÜHLE set stands out in terms of its premium materials. Many entry-level kits might use synthetic brushes or plastic razors, but the MÜHLE set's focus on sustainable, high-quality components sets it apart. You'll find similar performance in some other luxury razors, but few offer this level of quality at this price. As far as build quality goes, the MÜHLE set is exceptional. The razor feels solid in your hand, and the brush holds up well even after several uses. The chrome stand is sturdy and keeps everything in place without clutter. Plus, the longevity of the brush, if properly cared for, should provide years of service, making it a reliable investment for the long term. In terms of customer support, MÜHLE's reputation for quality craftsmanship and attention to detail extends to their customer service as well. While I haven't personally needed to reach out to them, the brand's commitment to sustainability and their focus on delivering high-quality products makes me confident in their ability to handle customer inquiries. For those wondering if there are any more affordable alternatives, there are a few options out there, though they might lack the same high-end materials. If you're looking for something less expensive, you could try a synthetic bristle brush and a more budget-friendly safety razor, though the overall experience might not match the luxury feel of the MÜHLE set. So what's the final verdict? The MÜHLE Chrome Silvertip Badger Safety Razor Shaving Set is an excellent choice for those who value craftsmanship, sustainability, and a truly luxurious shave. It's perfect for anyone looking to upgrade their grooming routine or add a touch of sophistication to their shaving experience. While the price may be a bit high for some, it's well worth it if you're looking for a high-quality, eco-friendly option. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and as always, the link to purchase this set will be in the description or comments below. If you've used the MÜHLE Chrome Silvertip Badger Safety Razor Set, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.